This is the Karcher NT351 Tact vacuum cleaner for easy pickup of wet or dry dirt and with a unique filter clean system. All controls are highlighted in yellow, like the main switch, filter clean switch and accessory storage. Access to the filter is quick and easy and can be done without opening the container. The filter is very compact and positioned right at the top, and therefore gives greater dirt collection capacity. Access to the 35-litre waste container and single motor is also simple thanks to these two large clips. Cleaning the filter not only maintains high suction performance, but it also prolongs the life of the filter itself. The unique Tact system sends 3 blasts of air through the filter every 15 seconds, unblocking very fine dust particles. The system can be switched off when it's not needed. The machine's floor tool comes with brushes for dry use and squeegees for wet pickups. The machine is equally at home picking up dry or wet dirt, or even spillages and small quantities of flood water. The NT351 Tact vacuum from Karcher, a simple, versatile and great value piece of kit for your business.